Welcome to WebStarters. Code formatting, very important subject. I'm using VSCode and I have installed a code formatting extension that is prettier. And I have used editor.format_on_save_true and settings.json file. And this is my simple HTML document. I can select all the code, right click, and select format document to format the code. I can also save the document to format the code, but the code is not properly formatted. As you can see here, see this tag bracket? It should not be here. If I change this and save the document, it goes back to that state. So the ending brackets for the tag and closing tags are messed up. If you are facing the similar issue, go to settings, type prettier, select prettier, scroll down, find this section HTML white space sensitivity. Remove strict, select CSS or ignore from this, and that's it. And if now I go back and save the document, my problem is fixed. And now issue is resolved. Okay, I hope it helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.